So guess what, guys? What I got in the mail today? Got a little box, and it's actually my steering wheel cover. I got it off eBay, and you can choose your combination with the seller of carbon fiber, punched hole leather, suede, Alcantar. You can have the M Performance rig on there if you want. And what I got is carbon fiber and suede Alcantara. So carbon fiber on the top and bottom, suede on the side, and as you can see, it looks like that. And then basically you just have to wrap around your steering wheel and stitch it over. And we'll go ahead and put the steering wheel cover around the steering wheel. And now that we got the whole thing covered on the steering wheel, we can begin stitching. What kind of threading it should be doing. Like, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like this or just the basic diagonal ones, but we'll see. And make sure you use the pry tool provided to push the excess leather into the slit right beside the control panel on your steering wheel. The total time spent on the steering wheel cover is about 3.5 hours, and you get faster. You eventually get faster after doing 1 or 2 rounds, and then it'll become faster later on. And I hope you guys like this video, and you guys carbon fiber and suede combination. Remember to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and see you next time.